We need happiness, we need stability, so we need in money in every sphere of life. In this video, I want to talk about how to earn 500 plus dollar daily and make money online first without any types of videos. So this website is called www. Make money online. In every single day I upload a video to teach you how to make money online. If you are first time in my channel and did not subscribe the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this new channel. And on the other hand, I cordially request to subscribe in my first channel. This is called the learning and earning tip, and if you want to make money online, just like this watching. And if you appreciate my videos, smash the like button and share more and more friends. So let's get started. So this is called designcrowd.com. This is the best and professional marketplace to start your journey from any corner of this world. So first of all, you have to create an account on this platform, and then you can start your journey for earning more and more from any corner of this world. Come over here, you're watching the country's flag, and anybody can do their work from any corner of this world. So you can start your journey from any corner of this world. And if you watch this website at a glance, there are freelance designers, there are designs per project, and completed projects are over here. And if you click on these categories, and there are categories under subcategories all in this interface. And if you search about this categories, first of all, this is logo and identity, and there are lots of subcategories on this logo and identity. Second one is graphic design, infographic design, 3D design, Photoshop design, back to design, icon design, ad design, podcast design. On the other hand, this one is web design, and there are lots of subcategories on this web design. And this one is app design and digital marketing, outdoor and sickness and personal print design, product and merchandise, art and illustration. So you can work from here by completing your skill or skill up. You can start your journey on this platform here. So if you scroll down here, you will get all the amazing features, get inspired by beautiful design. You can get an idea to start your journey on this platform easily. So if you are a newbie or a beginner, I cordially request to watch this video till the end to start your journey as a graphic designer or a web designer, or on the other hand, you can work anything on this platform. This is web design, idea and logo design, business card design, t-shirt designs, label designs, poster designs, logo designs, book cover designs are also available here. All the best freelance designs. Here's why this business have a chosen design crowd, and these are you can get an idea from here. If you scroll down here, you will get lots of amazing icons of this website easily. First one, popular pages, design contest, design beats, logo ideas, design jobs. On the other hand, there are lots of categories on this website. So what should you do after coming here? First of all, you have to create an account providing all types of informations to get started on this platform here. Then after creating an account, you have to choose your categories whatever you like, or as you can see here, if I click on these jobs here, and I will get this logo design. So logo design is the very important part and parcel of our life. You can sell more and more logo design on different types of platform. I think fiverr.com, freelancer.com, peopleperhour.com, or on the other hand upwork.com at a glance. So if I open this page, there are lots of open project. You can contest on this project easily. So there is no extraordinary costs to start your journey on this platform here. So if you read this one at a glance, direct to garment, custom apparel, business needs logo design. So and this one is $150 and 2 days left, and 0 designs have been submitted on this design, I think, and 0 designers, and also 04+ start ratings you can get from here. And there are lots of projects you can contest over here, so you can earn 200, 500, I mean 1000, 2000, 3000, up to 5 or plus $1000 every month from this only one website from here. If I click on this project here, just you have to click on this open, and then you will get the all the description about this logo design. So there are $300, and I mean 39 designs have been submitted, and 20 designers have submitted their logos on this contest over here. And after coming here, what should you do? And you have to read all the criterias, and these are the files which have provided that client to get an idea before making a logo of this description. So what should you do? This one you have to read at a glance. We need a logo design for a new mortgage company, so you have to copy this one from here, and then you have to come to another page, I think. If you scroll down over here, and after opening this interface, you have to paste that logo name, new mortgage company logo. You have to paste this one on this interface. Just create a logo. So there are lots of categories logos you can choose from here. Mind it, if you don't sell this logo on this platform easily, you can also sell on the different types of platforms for earning more and more. So if you source this one from here, you can edit, or then you can download from here. So now I would like to share, or I talk about. Alright, this is your selected logo. You can edit from here. Just click this one at a glance. So if I click on this text one from here, I have pasted this my choiceable name and new mortgage company here, and also you can delete from here at a glance. And on the other hand, you can choose the unique logo from here. So you can also change the color over here. Then this one you can choose from here, right? And this one you can choose this one from here, just like this, and you can change the color from the color picker at a glance. This is the very awesome color from here. On the other hand, you also change the background color like this. Okay, that's it. And this is the easiest way, I think, to make a new logo by using this brandcrowd.com. After doing this at a glance, you can download from here, and after downloading this one, you can submit, or you can provide this logo to your client easily. This is the best and easiest way, I think, to create an account on this designcrowd.com. And if you follow like this, you will be able to earn more and more from this only one website at a glance. Now I would like to share another one. If you search this logo design on fiverr.com, this guy has sold this gig 1000 plus times, and his rating is 4.8, and this guy has sold these gigs also 280 times, and his her ratings is 4.8. And also you can create an account on this fiverr.com at a glance. And how will you make a Fiverr account? Just come to my learning and earning tip. Just click on this Fiverr earning tutorials, and there are 8 videos on my YouTube channel. So just follow this one, how to create a Fiverr account to start your journey as a newbie. So after doing this, you can get more and more earning from this only one platforms besides designcrowd.com. Now I like to share another bonus tips and tricks. This is called the quick quickandgeeks.com. This one is another freelancing marketplace. You can also use this platform easily as a beginner or a non-professional. There are lots of categories are over here. As you can see here, just click on this and just you have to choose your category from here. And if I search on this logo design on the search box here, I will get lots of logo design services gigs you are watching, or as you can see here. So you have to have a skill to start earning from home or on the other hand from any corner of this world easily, just following this step according to my YouTube channel. So I cordially request to use this first one. This is called the designcrowd.com. On the other hand, you can also use this website. This is called the brandcrowd.com. You can get an idea to make a new logo for your client easily within a short time, or within an hour. You can sell more and more for ensuring extra cash by using this website. On the other hand, this one is fiverr.com and this one is called quickandgeeks.com. So start earning from here without any types of hesitation by following this video step by step. Keep watching this video from my YouTube channel, and if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from this make money online. And if you want to make money online just like this, and keep watching more and more, share and like more and more with your friends. And if you didn't subscribe my first channel, this is called the learning and on YouTube, and just subscribe this one and also click the bell button to get all the notifications or latest informations from this channel. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.